Okay, now on to the rules and laws of logarithms, which are essential. Okay, the multiplication law. Logarithm base a of xy is equal to logarithm base a of x plus logarithm base a of y. Alright, you need to memorize all these laws, all these rules, alright, if you want any chance of passing your exam. Okay, and basically where this comes from is the rules of indices, how powers with the same base multiplied together, you just add the powers. Alright, similar to how you're adding the logarithms. Okay, and the same applies for the division law. Logarithm base a of x over y is equal to logarithm base a x minus logarithm base a y. Right, you need to be able to spot functions like these, alright, spot expressions like these, and convert them to this form or to this form, alright, and vice versa. Okay, because it will help you solve equations, it will help you simplify expressions, alright, it's going to make your life a lot easier. You need to know these laws. Okay? Okay, so here are a couple examples. Alright, logarithm 4 plus logarithm 2 can be written as logarithm of 4 multiplied by 2, so logarithm of 8. Okay? Logarithm of 5 multiplied by 2 can be written as logarithm of 5 plus logarithm of 2. Alright? Or, to simplify it even more, alright, logarithm of 5 times 2 is logarithm of 10. It's already in base 10. Okay? And that equals 1. Which is also another law of logarithms. Alright? Logarithm in any base of that same number is always going to be 1, right? What power you have to give that number to get to itself. You just put it to the power of 1, right? So that's also a rule you need to learn. Logarithm of 7 over 2 is equal to logarithm of 7 minus logarithm 2. Logarithm 12 minus logarithm 3, it can be written as logarithm of 12 over 3, which is logarithm 4. Okay, base changing. Now, I know that if you're lucky, you have a calculator that can easily change the base for you. You can pick any base you want. It doesn't have to be, it's not limited to base 10. Okay, but I don't care. You go into an exam and you don't know how to change the base for logarithms algebraically like this, you're not going to pass. Okay, they're going to give you a logarithm question, which is hard. It's not going to be simple. Okay, it's going to be hard. Alright, and if you don't know how to change the base and it involves changing the base, you're not going to be able to do it. Okay, it'll probably say, show that this expression is equal to this expression. In order to do that, you're going to have to use the change the base formula. Okay, and it's not going to be numbers, you can't use your calculator. Alright, it's going to be letters, algebraic letters like X, Y, Z, whatever. Alright, so you need to know this. Logarithm, the old base of x, is the logarithm of the base you want of x, then over logarithm of the base you want of the old base. Alright? So let's say logarithm 10 of 3. You want to change that into logarithm base 4. Okay? First of all, you do that number, 3, then you do 10. Right? In some cases, the base you want is the same value, the same number, as this one right here. And in that case, you're going to get logarithm base b of b over logarithm base b of a, which is just 1 over logarithm base b of a. And whenever a logarithm question in an exam involves this, it usually ends up being a quadratic. Okay, the power law. Logarithm base a of x to the power of k is equal to k logarithm base a of x. Alright, so you just move the power down here. Or vice versa, you can move the power up there, depending on the situation and what you're trying to do. Okay, so let me give you some examples. Logarithm of 4 to the power of 6 can be written as 6 log 4. Or 3 logarithm 2 can be written as logarithm 2 to the power of 3. Then you can simplify it if you want, logarithm of 8. Okay, the power law also brings us to this rule. Logarithm of 1 over x is equal to minus log x. Okay, because 1 over x is the same as x to the power of minus 1. And you just move the power down here. Okay? Now, when we say there's a power here, we don't mean it's the whole function to the power of k. It's just x to the power of k. Alright? So whatever is the input of the function to the power of k. Otherwise, you can't do this. Okay? So let's say logarithm 3, the whole thing squared, you can't move that there. Okay? If it was logarithm 3 squared, okay, then you can move that power there. Okay?